Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you, and you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, we got this puppy right now. Now, I can't say the first part of his name, I'm going to try, but we're going to go with the EDIFIER G200, my magnetic Bluetooth speaker. This will cost you $29.99 on Amazon. I got it a little bit cheaper a couple of months ago, and to be honest with you, I forgot I had this. I don't know how I forgot, but I forgot. So we're going to do it now. So the regular price right now is $29.99. And the first name of this is Hecate, Hecate, EDIFIER G200. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of the specs real quick. Again, the price is going to be $29.99, okay? And it is the EDIFIER G200 is a 2-in-1 magnetic cell phone stand Bluetooth speaker for iPhone, Android, and anything metal. Small, portable, functional with RGB lighting and strong magnetic strength. An ideal gift. All right, guys. So that's it. So without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the Eagle Eye View. This is how the box looks. So you can see it's kind of beat up when it came. All right, so we're going to use this as the unboxing knife today. All right, there we go. Let me put this up so I will not be cutting myself today. All right. This is going to be, I'm trying not to make this too long. So we got, there we have this. Throw that away. This is the main thing here. Okay, we have a USB-A to USB-C. Cool. Flimsy. We have put on your wrist. I guess it's a holder or a strap, or wrist strap. Yeah, wrist strap. And we have the other book to go with it. Okay, guys. Other than that, that's it. So let's put that aside. Let's get to this. Now, this is small. I thought this would be bigger, guys. This is small. Look at that. That is small. That is small. So you have your USB-C. And you have your on and off. And guys, I know you probably hear my birds in the background. There's nothing I can do about that. And then you have, I don't know if that's a button. That's not a button. That's a part of the I guess the speaker. So you see the magnetic right here. So that's how it looks. It's small. Now I'm gonna go get another portable speaker so you can see how small this is compared. Okay. All right. This is how it compares to my other speaker. You can see it is small and weighs a lot less. Okay, guys, look at that. And then so you can see this is a Bluetooth, the nothing Bluetooth earbuds, and look at that. Look how small that is. So this is really tiny, guys. All right, what we're gonna do, go ahead and charge it up, show you how to charge it up. Then we're gonna pair it up, and then we'll go from there. All right. What we're gonna do, we're gonna use the cord that came with it. Let's go ahead and plug it up. So there you go. It is plugging up. So we just use this. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to keep it plugged up. Take this off. We're going to use this right here. This is a very adaptive fast charging. And you can see it is still working. All right. So then we got one more test, guys. We're going to use this right here. Let's see, make sure from C to C. C to C. And as you can see, it is working. So that's how it looks like when it's charged up. So what we're going to do, we're going to let it charge up for a little while. This puppy up. All right, what we're going to do, go ahead and turn this on.
Power on.
Oh, you heard that? It's power on. Let's turn that back off.
Pairing.
Like you say, pairing. All right, let's hold that one more time. Turn it off. Let's see if we can turn it off.
Power off.
All right. So this is how it sounds, guys.
Power on.
So that's how it sounds. Power on. Now it says pairing. Oh.
Pairing.
There we go. We're going to hit. There you go. It's right there. First one. That's how it looks. We hit pair.
Device connected. There
you go. It's at 90. I said 190. 90% already. So there you go, guys. That's how it looks. That's how it looks pairing up. Guys, right now there's no app that I can see in the book that's supposed to go with this. So as right now, there's no app. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and see how we'll hook up to various phones really quick before we get into the sound testing. All right, how strong the magnet is on here. And you can see it does hook. Not coming off, shaking it. Just do it one time. So it's pretty good. The magnet is pretty good. So this is the Pixel 8 Pro. What we're going to do, we'll go ahead and see if it will stick on here without it. And it does. So there you go. It's sticking without it. Now, for iPhone, I know it's going to stick real good for the iPhone. The magnetic thing, just as with the case and without the case. Let's get this out without the case. Now, that's one thing about the iPhone. So if you have an iPhone, this is the iPhone 13, and it's not coming off. So that's pretty good, guys. I can pick it up with that. So the magnets are pretty good. Now, I can't pick it up with this a little bit, but if I put the case back on here, then it picks it up. So that's how strong the magnet is. Yo, I'm back, and we're going to listen to one of my videos on the G200. Okay, guys? We're going to listen to one of my videos. And the reason why we're going to listen to one of my videos, because I've heard it. Some of y'all saying, well, you don't listen to no music and da-da-da. The reason why, because even the royalty-free music that they say is royalty-free is not royalty-free. And every time I try to find something that says royalty-free and I use it, it's not royalty-free. I get a claim on the video. Okay, guys? So I'm sorry, but I do want you to hear how it sounds. So it's going to be one of my videos. So you can see, at least you can say, well, okay, I see how it sounds. Okay, guys? All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to turn it on.
Power on.
Power on, and put it as close to the mic as I can get it to.
Connected.
And the device connected. All right, so let's go ahead and see how it sounds. And I'm going to turn it up, turn it down, so you can hear it. All right, so right now,
hello everybody, got a
is at the middle.
Unboxing out right now. And there's this right here. This is the K18 phone.
Now I'm going to turn it up.
This is for when you play your video games on your phone, or you're in a hot car with your phone. Then
I'm going to turn it all the way down. And then I'm going to turn it about halfway.
That conversation on there. And right now, this was going for $26.
So that's how it sounds. I think it sounds okay. It's fair to middling. So I like the way it sounds. Not all of it, but some of things that come through the speaker sounds pretty decent. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to end this part of the video right here. And when I come back, I'm going to give the G200 EDIFIER a grade and my thoughts. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. Yo, I'm back to get an EDIFIER G200 mini speaker. My final thoughts and giving this puppy a grade. All right, guys, let's get right into it. I think design and finish, I'm going to give it a 4. I do like the way it's designed. I do like the smallness of it. And I think that's one of the hindrances because it's so small as far as the sound. But I do like the way, it looks. I like the way that has the LED. And I like if you have a MagSafe type of, case on any of your phones, it will stick on there. Now, you don't need that with Apple. It will just stick on Apple, but it will stick on case. So I do like it. I think the design and I think that the the design and the smallness factor. Well, I said smallness factor. How small it is, I give it a 4. Music, it doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound bad. It's like in that D-C range. Okay, guys. Depending what kind of music you like, it's depending on how well you're going to like it. So just keep that in mind. If you buy something that's this small, I don't think that there is a small speaker like this that's going to have a sound system that's going to be like a 5. Okay, guys. So I give it a 3, maybe a D, maybe a C, but I give it a 3. Price, I gave it a 0. Listen to me, guys. For the price they want for $39.99, I saw on Amazon that they have some that looks just like this, but it was priced at $9.99. At $9.99, I think this is perfect. But at $39.99 for the way it sounds with some of the music, I think that, price-wise, for what you're getting, it shouldn't have been $39.99. It should have been more like $9.99, to be honest with you. So I gave the price a 0. That brings it all up to a 2.33, which I would not recommend us getting this at $39.99. I can recommend you getting this at $9.99 because it sounds like, now don't get me wrong, it sounds better than some of the speakers I've heard at 5 and below. I can give it that. It does. But I don't think it sounds $39.99. That $39.99. I think it sounds like at $9.99, $10, maybe $12 in that range. So I won't. If you find this for $39.99, pass on it. I don't recommend it. But if you can find this for $9.99, something you just want to, give to your children, or even for you, if you just want to play your game and you just want to hear the sound without having, a better sound, yeah, I would say for $9.99. All right, guys? So, guys, before we go, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my current and new and current subscribers for rocking with the channel. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Ted. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey, guys. Hey, guys, we got some more unboxing coming soon, so please hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. You have a good day. Peace.